Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's G from Happiness and Crafting. So I thought I'd just give you a quick flip through of the finished Christmas journal that I was making. It's turned out quite big, so let me just quickly measure it. So we've got about 6.5 inches wide and about 9 inches tall. Excuse me. So it's quite thick, so it's really lovely. I really enjoyed making this one. So we've got a lovely trim around it. This is paper on here. Now I've covered the fabric with the paper, so it's all sewn on, so it's all nice and safe. I've got a little dingly dangly here with Merry Christmas on it. This here, I've made a little pouch there, and I've popped some cloves in there, so it smells really Christmassy, and that just comes on and off on the little clip there, with the little bits of seam binding and ribbon and lace on there. Some dingly danglies underneath, so that's really lovely. So I'm going to open this up. So I've got some nice different ribbons on there. Well, I've got the same, I've got the lace, the seam binding and the beautiful red silky ribbon on there. So once we open it up like this, I've got a little pocket on the front. I've got a little it's made with an envelope, so you just open it up, and I've got two little writing papers in here. They just open up like that, so that one's the same as well. Just got some lovely shiny ribbon, which I absolutely love. Like I said before, I don't normally use shiny stuff like this, but I thought it really goes with this journal. So I'll pop that in there. So we've got two signatures, and then I don't know whether you saw the last video how I added in another middle signature, but I'll show you that in a minute. So just open up, I've got little pockets here. I haven't filled it, although it looks quite thick, it's not filled up huge amounts. Little Christmas pudding recipe there, and little journaling cards, because I like to leave room to journal in my journals. I don't like to put so much on one page. So this one, these are the little paper clips that we've made, and I've just got this one where we just pull it down and it opens out like that. It'll fold up, and then a little paper clip that just clips it on so it doesn't open up. Nice big tag there with some seam binding on it. A little journal card there. This is a little pocket there, so these open up, this goes in the pocket there. A couple of little journaling tags, journal cards, little tag there, and then this one here is the one that just flips open like that. We've got the little recipe in there as well. I've popped some of them on some of the edges. We've got some nice lace and some of that sort of ribbon. It's like a Hessian ribbon, which is nice. A couple of little bits in the pockets like that. Got a lovely envelope and another one of the paper clips there. Got a little bit of bling on this one. That's the back of the envelope. A little bit of ric-rac, and that's just like a little embellishment on there. This is the middle of the journal. So in the middle of the journal I popped some little the Father Christmas and a snowflake and a couple of little pearls, so it dangles down. And then we've got a little embellishment here, a little pocket which goes up through there like that, a little journaling card, little pocket here with some journaling cards and a recipe. Love these recipes, I think they're really good. That pops in there. Embellishment here, I've got a double pocket here so they go sideways, and that was one of our little cards that we made, which just pops in there like that, and then the journaling card this side. Got a little dingly dangly with a Let It Snow hanging down through there. This one opens up like that with a little pocket in it, Yule Tide. This opens up, we've got a nice big tag there, and another one of the little paper clips that we made, which is lovely. I love the little ones. So that just pops back onto there like that. Another embellishment there. A few little nice shiny bits I've popped onto there. Another little pocket, some ric-rac on there. This is right, so that's the first signature, and this was the middle one that I put in, but I popped that in on some elastic So I've done it sort of like traveller's journal, so you just can take that in and out. So if you want to have just a notebook, because it's quite big, I didn't put anything in this one. I just wanted it as you can take it in and out and write your Christmas lists or anything on that, and then you can pop it back in again when you've finished. So this elastic just comes off, and it comes off from the back signature, so that's removable. So on the second signature, we've got another little pocket with a journal card in there, a couple of little recipes there, decorated envelope with another little paper clip. This is a little side pocket with some journaling cards in it. Oh, and there's another one of our little fold outs here, like that, and that's got a little sort of belly band to pop that into. Nice decorated envelope, so we've still got lots of nice room to journal in, so you can stick any bits and pieces that you want in it as well, and do some writing that all your little things that you've done over Christmas, like this. So I think that's the middle bit. So we now have a little Christmas tree and a snowflake on there with some pearls. There's a little embellishment there. So I put some lace and that on the sides as well. Little side pocket with some bits in. And I've got another little pull down here, like that. So that says Merry Christmas on there. And then with Love at Christmas there. And then a little paper clip just to hold it together. We've got another double pocket on this side with some journaling cards in, like that. Dingle dangle with peace and goodwill. And we've got a lovely big pocket here. That was the that's the recipe card, and this was the little no-sew journal that I made in the tutorial the other day, which is lovely, and then that you can write in. So that was an easy, nice little project for you guys to do. So I'll just do that up with a little bit of seam binding. Pop that in, tuck it into the pocket. Got a nice little decorated envelope there. Another beautiful big Christmas tag. And on here we have another little pocket with a journaling card in, and then there we go, and that's the back of the journal. So it's all sewed in, so it's all nice fabric covered, and I think it came out really, really lovely. So hopefully having a nice little bag here with some smellies in it makes it smell really, really nice and Christmassy. And then I'm just doing it up with a nice big bundle of lace and seam binding. So I think it looks really, really nice. So I can smell the cloves. It smells so tasty. It smells very, very Christmassy. So there we go, guys. That is the Christmas journal that I've been doing. It will be going into my Etsy shop next week, but I'm going to get another. I've got other things that I'm making as well before I pop anything in there. So I will do a video and show you what's going to be going in, so you can all have a look and see what's going on. Alright guys, thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed that, and I will see you soon. Alright, take care. Bye bye.